Hey guys, what is up? I am back with episode 2 of how to make a hack client for Minecraft 1.8. And as you can see, we have our main class still, all of our stuff that we edited, and everything like that. So, in this episode, we're going to be covering modules, the base module class, our first hack, and how to call these methods and stuff. So, to start out, you're going to want to get event API. I'm pretty sure it's called Dark Storm. No, that's the GUI. Dark Magician event API. You can get that by going up in here and Dark Magician event API. Get this nice little page. Click on that one. No. Hit that download button right there. Download his little event API. I mean, normally you don't have to use this, but it's good for tutorials and it's easy to use, so we're gonna use it. Open the zip file up. You'll see a COM folder. Drag and drop that into your Minecraft thing. You can't do that. Hold on. We got this. Take it. Drag and drop it in your Minecraft. Hit OK. Hit OK. I don't know why that didn't work. Hold on. Why is it read only? I don't know. Drag and drop it in there. There we go. Now it should work. Or not. No, this is a pain. It's in order to do. Just gonna copy paste it. There you go. So now you should get this amazing little thing. Oh wait, I don't think you should have that up. You have the nice little events API that you can use to make your classes or for events. And my dog is being a crazy thing right now. Hold on. Be right back. Should really start recording at a later date, or not time, because the dog's always fucking crazy when I get home. Alright, so in order to sort this all out, we need to make some events. So we're just gonna make a new little class in here, and in a new events class or package, we're gonna call it, let's see, we'll call it motion update event. Now you get a nice little class right here. Now we're gonna make it extend event by Dark Magician, sorry. And then we can do implements cancelable, I think. Never used that one before, because I don't use Dark Storm that much. Alright. Public motion update event. Or we can do motion state. You won't have this, this will be red because it's not, doesn't exist yet. State equals state. Private final motion state equals state. Or, no. Just put motion state. There you go. Now, we're gonna want to go down here. Public enum. Hey dog, calm down. Yeah. There you go. Motion state. This is an enum. It's pretty much just like a Boolean system, but easier to manage. So we're gonna do pre and post for now. You'll see what these are for later. And then we gotta act. If you want, you can go up here, hit Alt Enter, implement methods, click that. Now you're gonna want to make sure you have a Boolean. Oh, this is okay. This is evidently an interface. So you're gonna do event like that. As you said, I don't use this at all. There you go. We'll make it easier later on, but for now we're just gonna do this. We're gonna do private final Boolean. Hey, don't do final, not final. And then canceled. Just leave it blank. Change this to canceled. Change this to canceled equals state. I have a class looking like this right now. Later we'll be adding stuff to this class, like their position and stuff, but for now we'll just use this because it's easy, and why not? So now, double tap shift, go on into entity, player, SP, head over to on update with control F to search. So now, to do this, we're gonna do motion. Yeah, actually, we can do this. Motion, update, event equals, now we're just gonna leave that blank now. Now we're gonna do, whoa, puppy. Sorry for my dog, guys. It's a little crazy. Or don't stop. Okay. You know, great video so far. Love it. Dark. Whoa. Stop. Dark shape. That get instance. No, this is not my other client. What am I doing? YouTube. That get instance. Oh no. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. I'm thinking of my other client. Of my client and how I use my event system. So we're gonna do event manager from Dark Magician that call event equals new motion update event motion state dot pre. If I can type. There you go. We have that all good and set up, and we can do if event that is canceled return. Although I don't know why you'd ever run to cancel the event, but you know, that's up to you. Next, we can just copy this pretty much over. Right down here. Paste that. Don't need to cancel it because it's not going to do anything anyways. Put it on the post. And bang! Look at that. All set up. Easy peasy. Alright. Get out to class. You're fine. All done. Oh, actually. If you like your motion update event, add a little method called getState, put motion state, getState, and then just return state. We'll use that for later use. So now you have all that. Go on over, make a new package, or class as I do, call it module, and then we'll just name it module, not module, okay. I'm gonna grade this, don't worry. There we go. Alright, so this is going to be the base for modules and how we use them all. For now, we're just going to do a couple of little simple things because it's easier. So, we're going to do private string name, which is the module name. And we're going to do private int key for the keybind. Actually, we just keep it bind. And then private boolean is enabled. Now it is enabled to make sure, or it's gonna see if the thing is enabled. If it is, then run the event. Otherwise, cancel it and don't do anything. So now, public module. You're gonna make sure they type in a string and a keybind. Keybind. This dot name equals name. This dot keybind equals keybind. You don't need to do anything with this right now. This can be left to the side for now. Public string get name. Return this dot name. Gets the name of the module. Pretty self-explanatory. Public int get keybind. Return this dot keybind. Gets keybind, so we can use it. Now we're gonna do public boolean is enabled. Return this is enabled method or boolean. Now I have everything set up, but we need to set this up so that we can, well, so we can use it. So, public void toggle, and then public void set enabled. I think this is the simplest way to do it. My dog is going crazy again, because he's insane. Alright, we'll just ignore him. He's fine. We'll do boolean flag. Name the boolean whenever you want. It doesn't really matter. Flag is more easier. If it's true, this dot is enabled equals true. We're going to call unenable unenabled. We'll make that soon. Else, this dot is enabled equals false. Undisabled. And then we're just gonna do set enabled opposite of is get enabled or is enabled. just use our method for that, because why not? This will set, so if it's true, it'll set to false. If it's false, it'll set to true. Now down here, just create a public void unenabled, enabled, I can't spell, and public void on disabled. Now they should not be read anymore. Now this is important if you want your modules to work. You want to do event manager dot register, and then this, and then event manager dot unregister this. If you don't have these two, the modules will not register and they will not work at all. Just so you know. Alright, so that's pretty much done for this. We don't need this anymore right now. Close out of that. Create a new class. We'll create a new modules movement. We'll name it. Let's do step, because why not? Step is fun. I'm not gonna make a bypass right now. We'll do that later in the series, maybe, if you guys want it. So now, extends module. Pretty easy. You'll get a red squiggly line, public step. Don't put anything in here. Just if it pops something out, just delete everything in there. You have to do super, and then the name of the hack, the keybind. We'll do I. And that's it. That's not it. Yeah, it is. Alright. So there you go. That's it. Pretty much. That's almost done. Now, for Dark Storm, or Dark Magician, sorry, I keep getting two mixed up. The same thing. In order to use an event or call it, you have to do event target. And then your method name. So public void on motion. You could put any name here. You could put like on player doing something. Motion update event. And that'll still work. We're gonna keep it like that just to show you that it actually still works. So now, I mean, it doesn't really matter what you do this, but we're just gonna do if get state equals state dot motion state dot pre. So if it's before it updates, then normally we're just gonna, pretty simple, we're just gonna save the previous step height. We're gonna save the last step height. So we're gonna do the unenabled. Now for unenabled, make sure you have super.unenabled, or else it will not register at all. Under that, we'll do this dot last step height equals. Okay, here'd be a good time. In your module, I forgot something. Create a protected Minecraft MC equals Minecraft.getMinecraft. This is for ease, and so you don't type Minecraft.getMinecraft every time I do something. So do MC.thePlayer dot step height. This will save the last step height whenever you enable it, and they'll do on disabled. Keep it on disabled super. We'll do this dot, or no, do MC dot the player that step height equals last step height. You put this just for fun. Good practices. You should do it. Now, I don't know if you need this. For the bypass, you do, for sure. I'm just gonna put it just because we're gonna do, I mean, we'll do MC.thePlayer.step height equals, we'll say 2.0 F for 2 blocks. Because why not? So that's pretty much it, actually. That's all you gotta do for step right now. Now, if you try to run a client now, it won't work. We need 2 more things to do before it actually works. We need to create a new class, module manager. Create your module, create your module package, not your movement package. Now this will save and load all our pro modules whenever we set the client. Pretty easy. Private list. We'll do module equals new at mods equals new array list Easy peasy. Go down here, public void, startup. You can name whatever you want. This.mods.clear, and then we'll just do this.mods.add new sprint. Not sprint, we need step. And I'm gonna start with sprint first. Easy to access methods, public list module, get modules, return this.mods. You can also, just so you can see, in here, you don't have to do this, but I'm just gonna do this just because whenever it loads class, we're gonna say name has been loaded. We're gonna put a little YouTube tag so we know which it's for. So whenever our module or step loads, it'll say that message, step has loaded. Now, this is almost done. Go back to your YouTube class, create a new private final module manager. Module manager equals new module manager. Go down here, that startup. Pretty easy. For simplicity, module manager, that get module manager, return this that module manager. When you call this, you can get the modules and everything. Now we're not done there. Now, okay, so we have everything set up now. If we start it up, it'll work, but it won't. The keybinds won't work at all. So we're in the simplest way possible. Go into Minecraft. We gotta find something about a key, obviously. I don't remember where it is. We're just gonna YOLO it and look for it real quick. Something, it's keyboard. Yeah, keyboard, that get event key. No, it's not. It's right here. Sorry. Alright. You can just look up handle keyboard input. Easy, right here. We're doing it the hard way. I mean, not the hard way, the simple way, but this is bad. Normally you do like an event or something, or a hook manager or something like that, but for now, we're just gonna do module, and we're gonna do YouTube.get instance.get module manager.get modules. That's why we created that modules method. Make sure you import your module class, not some other module class. Now, we're gonna do if m.get keybind equals var1, then we're gonna toggle it, m.toggle. And for this, we're just gonna put a little message whenever we enable it or disable it. Make sure they're not null, just in case, because we might want to toggle like IRC or something when we start the client. We don't want to try to send a message to the player if they're not in the game yet, or in the world, so they can't even see it. So we're gonna do mc.theplayer.add chat message, new chat component text. We're gonna do is enabled. So if it's enabled, then we're gonna do name. Okay, I can't type today. Oh. Has been enabled. Yay. Or, so this means if it's been enabled, then say it's been enabled. Or, name has been disabled. Whoa! Stop, dog. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, my dog. This dog is driving me crazy. Has been disabled. So, now technically everything work. I mean, shit at shift F9. Let's hope it works. Get out of this. Like I said, I haven't used Darkstorm in a while. Don't know for sure if it's gonna work, but I'm pretty sure it'll work. Pretty self-explanatory, to be honest. Just need to hurry up. I gotta say a message. Oh, okay. Let's see if this works. It should technically work. Let's go. I have Mountain Dew. I'm glad that didn't explode, because every soda I've been opening lately, it's about to explode. Oh, no, 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 no. Why does everything I open starts to explode? I don't know why. It's terrible. You saw right there. Step has been loaded. So we know our hack has been loaded into the game through our module manager. Now you have all our pretty stuff, make a new world, call it hack testing or something. Put it in creative for fun. It will enable all the cheats so we can change our game mode and everything else at time, whatever, blah blah. Technically should work. Alright, so once we get in the game, I can't press my inventory. I don't know what I'm talking about. There we go. Open my inventory. Nice black. This is amazing. Good job rendering. There you go. Technically, if we press G, I put I, it says step has been enabled. Look at that. Step works perfectly fine. Step up blocks. Everything like that. I don't know why it's lagging. Whatever. Step up blocks. You should be able to step 2 blocks. Like that. Not 3 though. 3 should not work at all. There you go. Not 3. If you disable it, you shouldn't be able to step up any more blocks at all. And there you go. Go to your first hack, and it's pretty cool. Although this won't bypass NCP, so if you try to join a server and they have anti-cheat, you won't be able to do it. So it'll block it, but later in the series we'll get into bypasses and how they work, how to find them, how to make them, you know, the usual. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I know it's kind of short, but oh, it wasn't that short at all. But thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. We'll code some more hacks. Goodbye.